Parents, today I'm going to teach you a new strategy to help your kids with elapsed time. Now that's the time between a given start and end time. You can do a T-chart where you start with the time and then add hours and minute increments. You can also do the number line, but there's a new strategy called the Z-chart that's going to make your life much easier. So you start, say, at 7:30. And my time ends at 9:15, and I want to know how long did it take me between 7:30 and 9:15. So you take at the top and you go to the next hour, which would be 8, and between 7:30 and 8, I know that's 30 minutes. And then you go back to the hour that is at this time, 9:15, which was 9. And I know between 9 and 9:15 is 15 minutes. And then we just figure out between 8 and 9, how many hours is that? That's 1 hour. So now we just add up all our time. 1 hour, 30 plus 15, 45 minutes. So between 7:30 and 9:15 is 1 hour and 45 minutes.